Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crossroads Chronicles. I want to show you that we are missing a column. On this side we have 3. On this side we have 2. So this column was damaged, so we had to get it out. Got it out, and we're going to be getting it to Wilson, North Carolina, Stevenson Millwork, so we can get that repaired. So right now I got to figure out how to get it in the house so it doesn't get rained on. This is the bottom end that's rotted. The column ends right here, looks in pretty good condition, but this piece, the base, I believe the plinth is what needs to be replaced. So we're going to get that taken care of. Got some trees over here that I need to get in the ground soon before they start growing. Everything's greening up. It's not, see, nature doesn't wait around. Still have these burn piles that are growing. We'll probably burn those soon. Trees are starting to come out. As you can see, the grass is growing. But the fields are clear. They'll be planted soon. Sycamores are coming out on this back end. And if you can see down there, the sycamores are starting to put on some new growth and come out, leaf out. So still have a lot of work to do, and still haven't gotten to the house for the most part, except for that column. Try to get that fixed and start on the demolition. Still need to get a tree down and some other trees cut down and burn these burn piles off and get rid of that, or well, try to spray down the weeds from growing up around the barn, and then get some more of that down as we can. and get it out of here. Sugar maples looking good. Maybe get some syrup out of them someday. Pecan trees off in the distance. A lot of work. I need to live down here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. More to come.